we're going to give this a name. The Knocking Stone. The elusive Knocking Stone. Why on earth is it here, Knocking Stone?
Why here Knocking Stone?
It's definitely a knocking stone. Oh look, it's baby. I'll just trip over its baby brother. And possibly there's been a little house here. In behind Nebulous Clem. It's a better day today. He's not saying much today. So there you have it, a tiny little bungalow in the hills. That looks like, which Syke is that one? Dorothy Syke? Either Dorothy or Alison Syke.
Which one?
That one there. Can't remember, doesn't matter. And this area has been marked off by little pink or red ribbons.
Called what?
Little pink or red ribbons. They've marked off
pink
the
ribbon, that pink ribbon place.
Yeah. Surrounded by trees, or will be eventually.